So for instance, if you want to change this table to APA format, APA style, so first of all you click here and highlight it. So you then go to either table design, or you just come to this thing, borders. So you click on borders and do no borders. So when you finish with this, you come to border shading. You highlight it again. You come here first, no, here. Just highlight the top headings and maybe bold it for now. Then just highlight it again and come back and click on borders. So for you to get a border that will, a line that will cover the top of this frequency, percentage and things, you click on top border and it appears. And if you want another line to cover the bottom, then you click on that border symbol again and click on bottom border, so it will do it like this. Then you come to the bottom of the table, this one. I don't know whether that's the bottom of the table. Let's see. Okay. And click on total. I want to click on total. Or you can easily click on the bottom of it and click here. So you click like this. So that's it. So you are done with your APA style. And this ones, if you want, you can highlight them. So moving on to this table as well. So first of all, you just click here and go to borders. Click on no borders. So second, you come and click at the side of the table to highlight the headings. Then you click on bottom and click again and click on top border. So you can highlight again and click on bottom, so that it will do the bottom one for you, and that's it. So you can just bold it. That's how it is done. So this is the APA style for presenting your project work, especially the results aspect, and also when you are discussing. Yeah, but basically the tables under the results, this is the best way of presenting it. Okay.